Now, there are two types of wahi. Two types of wahi. Number one is wahi matlu, the revelation which is recited. And number two, wahi ghayr al-matlu, the revelation which is not recited. Wahi al-matlu is the revelation that can be recited in prayers, in salah, and that is the Holy Quran. Wahi ghayr matlu is the revelation which cannot be recited in salah, and both have slight differences. The difference is that in wahi matlu, the words and the meanings, both the words and the meanings are directly from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. While in ghayr matlu, meaning revelation which is not to be recited, the meaning is from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, but the words selected are by the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and which we can say is the ahadith. They are also wahi. Let's look at the definition of the Holy Quran. What is the definition of the Holy Quran? The definition of the Holy Quran is that the word of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, which came down from the heaven to the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, written in the Mus'haf, yani the book that we see today, and reached us continuously by tawatur, without any doubt. Now, while this Quran was being revealed and then read and then transmitted through people till the people today, till today, the Quran we have in front of us, this Quran has reached through us through tawatur.